everyone, it's Molly from Molly's Artistry. I'm going to do a 50 color ring pour with all my leftover paints. So let me get these into a cup. I'm going to use my paint split technique and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Hope you guys can see the whole canvas. I've split my paint cup. This is almost like 800 milliliters of paint, so I'm just gonna get started and see what happens. For those of you that are not very savvy with the computer, you can press the button, the arrow below, and look and see the description. And there's all kinds of links in there for all kinds of artists. And there are websites that you can go to. You can support the artist if they have links for that. So there are all kinds of things that you can do. I have an Instagram if you guys want to check it out, Molly's Artistry 6. Okay, here we go. I'm getting down to the white part now. Hope all my colors don't blend together. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Oh, I was trying to catch that drop right there. Dang it. Oh well, we'll see what comes out. I'm gonna torch this, get some, I see a lot of air bubbles. Because that was a lot of paint I mixed. Okay, so before, I'm gonna grab, okay, I just grabbed a little tool and circled around the inside, so we'll see how this actually goes. I'm gonna try to tilt as much as I can on canvas for you guys. I'm gonna start tilting that way. Something like almost therapeutic about swirling paint, don't you think? Whew, okay, that is heavy. I'm gonna stop for 1 second. Take a look. Wanted to get my gloves on too because this paint's going to go all over the side. I'm really liking what's happening in here. This paint almost selled up. I literally used like all of my leftover craft paints, and I used, I'm going to see if I can make it to this corner. Okay, I don't want my entire center to go off. I'm going to keep going around. I'm going to bring my paint back. I'm going to keep going around. I really like those reds and the purples that are over there. Try to make it to this corner. Okay, bring it back again. Is a lot of work. And I'll get my corners later, I'm not worried about that. Yeah, I like all these lines. I don't necessarily like what was in there. It's those greens. Remind me of poo. All right. I'm gonna flip this baby around so that I can tilt to that side. Gotcha. Okay. Gonna keep tilting around. Okay, you guys gotta help me out. You gotta tell me where it is. I can't see what's going on with the paint. Where are you at, paint? And if I don't get all the way to the corner, I'm fine. I'll put another color on the corner. I actually kind of like it just like that, without trying to get to that corner over there. I think I'll go back this way just a little bit. I really like that teal and the orange together. You guys let me know what you think. You guys know me, I like playing around with big canvases, seeing what I can get. I can see the paint moving. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it there. Because I don't want to screw everything up. Love my lines on the outside. So I think I'm gonna go in with just some black, maybe on the corners. And then I think I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, here she is, guys. I put a little bit of black on my corners and I stretched her out a little bit more. My favorite part, let me see if I can get my shadow out of there, is that right there. But I like how all these lines came out. Sorry, I've got my, I like how those came out. The middle reminds me of split pea soup. Not my fave. But I love the sides. Those are all color shift colors, so I don't know how those are exactly gonna come out. The middle, meh. But that's her. 50 color ring pour. All right, thank you guys. Happy painting. Bye.